That's good?
Yes.
Welcome to my channel. DIY mechanic.
2019 Toyota Camry. If you get in your car, this will also work on the 2018. You try to start your car. If it's push start, it's not gonna start. If it's the one with the key, it will start, but you won't be able to shift. Another thing you're gonna notice is gonna tell you a message here, and also the back brake light, they're not gonna work. So there's gonna be a message. Let's just wait for it right there. See what it said? Brake override. Visit your dealer. So even though I'm pressing the brake, it's not starting. So this is what you're gonna look for. You're gonna go down to your. You're gonna go down here, and there's gonna be. Okay, so there's gonna be a cover here. Put the cover back on. So, all right. So there will be a cover. So the fuse you're gonna change, starting from this corner down, is gonna be fuse number 4, the one that says stop. I'm gonna open it back up. See if I can show you. So the one that says stop right there, 7.5. That one, 7.5. Alright, so I got a new one right here. I'm just gonna push it in there. Push it in right there. I'll pull the cover back on. Alright, now alright, so now I'm gonna start it up. Same thing, I push the brake. See, now it's start. So like I say, if yours not push start, the car will start, but you won't be able to shift. So now I can shift. So that message now is gone. Alright, thank you for watching. I hope my video helped you, and you can fix your own car. You don't have to take it to the dealer and spend a lot of money. Thank you. See you in the next one.